Higgins, and I run the More Than a Song community choir in Porth, in the factory. So I first got involved with Ffordd Sain when Dan approached me, and we had a meeting with Iori and Calon and decided that we were going to combine the choirs and learn a couple of Welsh songs. I also ran a workshop which was vocal improvisation. We had a lot of people come and talk about how awesome it was for their well-being. They got to express parts of them that they wouldn't necessarily usually have a chance to express. Improvisation is a very vulnerable thing to do, so we spent a couple of hours getting them prepped, opportunity to solo and express whatever wanted to come out. So